Welcome to Shimoku. Let's proceed to examine the results obtained after the prediction process. Predictions, DF predicted. This file encapsulates the specified predictions for each client, providing both the projected classification and the associated probability for that prediction. Based on this probability, one can make business decisions, such as whether to contact a customer with high probability of churning, for example. Drivers and barriers, DFDB. This data set goes further and provides the determining factors that influence the predictions we saw in DF predicted. This document is essential for discerning which aspects have a greater impact on churn decisions, enriching the understanding of the most significant variables in customer behavior and making them more actionable. With this, we conclude the observation of our resulting outputs from the prediction flow. Thank you for joining us, and until the next opportunity.